this video, we're going to revisit two of the blocks we've looked at before. The hide block to make a character disappear, and also the start on bump block that starts the program once two characters touch each other. The story behind this project is Kitten erasing the writing off the whiteboard at the end of the day. So let's first of all start by selecting the background button and creating the classroom background, because Kitten is going to be in the classroom because it's the end of the day. Next, what we need to do is we need to create a character that's going to go on the whiteboard. So we're going to go to our add character button, empty character option, go to the paint button instead of the tick button to open up the editing panel. There's nothing to edit, so we're going to create our own. We've already got the line selected and also brush. Let's go a bit thinner than that, and let's going to just have the letter A. There we go. That's going to be our character that Kitten is going to rub off the board. Let's press tick to select it, and we're going to move it up onto the whiteboard. There we go. So now we've got our character that we've created, the letter A, and we've got a Kitten the cat, and we now need to code them. So first things first is we need to code Kitten to go towards the whiteboard. So we're going to click on the yellow category, again start with our green start flag, and go to the blue category, select our up motion block, and then go to the red category, select our end of program. Let's have a look at our grid. We're currently on 8. If it went to 10, that'd be pretty good. We need obviously Kitten to collide with the character A, so let's change that 1 by clicking on it to 2, so that Kitten will move from 8 to 10, which should get us where we need to be. Let's turn the grid off now. Now we're going to code our A character. So we want to go to our yellow category, but this time instead of the green flag, we do not want this program to start when we press the green flag. We want it to start when Kitten touches it. So we go and we select the start on bump block. We're then going to go to our purple category and select our hide block, and then we're going to go to the red category and select our end of program. So what should happen now, Kitten should move up 2 squares, touch the A character, and the A character should disappear. Let's see what happens. Fantastic. Let's reset that. Have a look at that again. Brilliant. So let's reset one more time. See it on the big screen. Brilliant job. Excellent. Well done, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.